want to do something like this video over here, then you certainly have clicked the right video, because I'm going to be showing you in this video how to make an outro video. First things first, you have to have the app Canva. I don't know the other fancy equipment and gadgets and apps that other YouTubers use for their own outros, but I can assure you that Canva is amazing. You could do a lot. You could do thumbnails, you could do flyers, you could do everything, okay? Every freaking thing. If that's something you want to watch, then you definitely do want to watch. But before we do that, you guys have to watch this advert. Would you like to have amazing quality content on your screen? Would you like to watch more of me on YouTube? Would you like to know things about tech as well as lifestyle, faith and band videos? Please subscribe to my channel today. It's not hard. It's just that subscribe, that red button there, that subscribe button that you can see. Just subscribe. It's not hard. I'm not going to take money from you guys. Okay, please subscribe to my channel. Okay, that is the end of this ad. I will leave you guys to it. Please don't forget, or don't mistakenly forget. I don't know how you mistakenly. You know what, this ad is getting too.
Hey guys, welcome back to my home screen. So let's now go to Canva and start with this. I'm sorry I'm blabbing. Okay, so now we're in our Canva app. What we want to do is now go to the search button and search for YouTube outro. We'll get there in a bit. Okay, so now we're searching for YouTube outro. Yeah, that's it. So click on that and voila, everything you need is here. If you want a food channel, this will be preferable for you. So just go with what you're into. If you're in the niche of food or blogging, there are different types. So search for anyone you want and insert your video clip basically, and also your link when you upload your video as well. If I want to use this particular one, what I want to do is, they already have the thank you for watching there and click to subscribe. I'll just insert like a outro video and I'll put it there, and I'll just leave it there, and then voila, that's my outro video already. If I don't want this particular one, what I want to do is search for YouTube outro again and look for more and different, graphics that I can work with. There are so many. One thing that most people don't know that is that you can actually have put videos on Canva rather than just pictures alone. Yeah, you can put a link to your YouTube channel for people to subscribe, and voila, it's just you knowing what to use and where to go to. So there are different ones here as well that you can use. I'll go ahead, click on, I think, this one and edit. If to say I was like a travel person and I do travel logs and everything, what I would like to do is include my own videos here. And since there's space for a lot, I can just put like an outro that I feel like people might want to watch and everything, and put it here. It could be me just walking around the city of Ibadan or something, and then put it here. I'll go ahead, put another video clip here in a while. Yeah, that's it. So I'll reduce it and put it side by side with the other one and use it as well. So yeah guys, that's it. That's all for this video. I'm sure you could be creative with yours and do so many other ones.
If you have fun watching that video, or if you learned a thing or two while watching that video, you definitely do want to hit the subscribe button. It's that red button right there. If you skip the adverts, but I don't know how you would have skipped it. But if you skipped it, then you definitely do want to click on the subscribe button, that red button right there. Or if you can't click on that, I'll leave the link in the description box below so you can check that out, and it will take you to subscribe to my channel immediately. If you guys have not watched any of my videos down there, please do watch them. They're really helpful, really impactful, and I feel they're going to help you guys as well. Please, 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 and please subscribe to my channel. Also hit the notification bell so you get notified every time that I upload a video as well. I'll see you guys in my next